Are you an MBBS doctor, postgraduate resident, or specialist registered with the Karnataka Medical Council? Are you planning to apply for an additional PG registration, no objection certificate, good standing certificate, or the renewal of KMC registration? If yes, then this video is your complete step-by-step guide. In today's video, we will explain the Karnataka Medical Council application form, required documents, fees, and the most common mistakes that lead to application rejection. So make sure you watch until the end. Application form. 10 different services. Let's decode each one. No objection certificate. It's needed when shifting the registration to another medical council. Additional degree registration. After completing MD, MS, DNB, Diploma, there is where you officially register your postgraduate qualification. Duplicate registration certificate. Lost your original certificate? Don't panic. You can apply for the duplicate. True copy of the registration certificate. Official certified copies whenever you require, you apply for this registration. Good standard certificate. One of the most commonly requested documents for the doctors who are planning to work overseas. Other services include change of name, certified testimonials, registration verification, re-registration, renewal. Then fill in your name, registration number, date of registration, address, mobile, email qualifications, then your university year of passing. Last, college. And finally, never forget your signature. A missing signature alone can delay your application. Now let's discuss the section that every postgraduate must know. Once you complete your MD, MS, DNB or Diploma, your work isn't over. You must register your additional qualifications with the Karnataka Medical Council. Required documents include fill application form, original degree or provisional certificate, Xerox copies, mass card, bona fide certificate from the dean or principal confirmed NMC recognition, original KMC registration certificate, DME no objection certificate, online appointment, application fee, that's around 1,500 plus GST. Here's something many doctors don't know. If you delay registration beyond 1 year, you have to pay 500 rupees extra for every year of delay, so don't postpone it. Let's quickly understand the remaining services. No objection certificate needed for the transfer of the registration for higher studies. Official purposes, the fees is around 2,500 plus GST. No appointment required for it. Good standing certificate. Planning for UK, Australia, Middle East or Ireland or any other countries or international registration, you need this certificate. You have to pay mostly around 2,500 plus GST again. No appointment required for it. Duplicate registration certificate. Lost your certificate, you will need police complaint, affidavit, then application form. An appointment fee is around 750 plus GST. If you want to change the name after marriage or a legal name correction, you will require an affidavit, newspaper publication, a marriage certificate if applicable, an original registration certificate fee, verification certificate often required by employees and the institutions. Fees is around 200 plus GST, re-registration required, recent no objection certificate, original registration certificate, straight registration certificate, the fee is around 1,500 plus GST, renewal fees is around 1,000 plus GST, late renewal, an additional 500 plus GST for every delay year. Also remember, CME credit hours are mandatory, 750 plus GST, and for more information, you can visit official website of KMC. Apart from the online application, you need to visit the office of the KMC. Here is address. There is an address for Arogya Sauda also. So I hope India. Now, this is the most important part of the video. Thousands of applications get delayed because of these simple mistakes. Wrong registration number, missing original documents, incomplete bona fide certificate, no online appointments, then forgetting self-attestations, then missing the signature, delayed PG registration. Always cross-check your application before submission. It could save weeks of unnecessary delay. The Karnataka Medical Council process isn't difficult, but it demands accuracy. One missing document, one incorrect fee, or one overlooked requirement can delay your registration significantly. I hope this video has helped simplify entire process. If you like it, do share with your doctor friends and do comment if you have any doubts. See you next time.